Okay, Parker, hurry up. Go, Eddie.
Okay.
Did Santa come, guys?
I bet this is for me because, yep, to Addie from Santa, and it's heavy, really heavy.
What do you think, Parker?
I'm gonna open this up. Is this for me?
I don't know. What do you think, Eddie? Did Santa come, guys?
This is probably the American government.
Hold on, Parker. Let's read and see who that's to. Yeah, that's to you, Parker. What'd you get, Addie? Oh, that's cool. What is that?
Whoa.
Minecraft?
I bet that cat thing is either.
I know that's just a couple
I
of
bet
them.
the cat wrapper is either for me or Addie, I got necklace. We're gonna have to share that, Parker. Yeah.
What is that, Addie? Hold on, Parker.
Pottery wheel. Pottery wheel.
No, that's Addie's present. I know that's Addie's present. Well, cool. Well, Merry Christmas, guys. We're going to open up some more Christmas presents, okay?
I want to see a tweet.
Parker, hold on. Oh, you want him to...
I bet
Okay.
this is for me again.
That one's for you, Parker. Open up that one.
Sand.
That big one right there. That's yours, yeah.
But I need it right here. Yeah.
No, you can't. Just rip it open right there. Go.
It's a bot. A Spider-Man bot! I see wheels on the back side. I saw like little handle.
Whoa.
A Spider-Man bot!
Is that cool, buddy?
Can I have a treat?
Yeah, I can get your treats down.
Oh yeah, I forgot about stockings.
What'd you get, Addie?
I didn't even look at this. Oh my gosh. Can I put this in my
That one's Addie's.
Feather Fashions. I've had this.
That's cool.
Something like this, and it came with those feathers.
Why don't you get your stocking down, Parker?
Yeah, get your stocking down.
Well, stop videoing and get
Okay.
your stocking
Say
down.
Merry Christmas, guys.
No.
Okay.